Kala ko inaapuntahan eh. Yun yung mga inaapuntahan.
Okay.
Eh kung pinapalo rin kita, practice lang din.
Lola, wag ganun. Parang ganito,
Pinapakaba
parang
mo
ganito.
kami, ha?
Parang ganito, Lolo. Alden! Richard! Nasaan ka na? Umuwi ka na, Alden! Alden, hindi ko kaya...
Very good, Yaya!
Okay siya?
Very good. Galing Martin.
Dramatic naman, dramatic.
Iba naman, ha? Yung iba naman yung gusto kong acting.
Ano po? Paano, Lola?
Kailangan yung Yaya as Sister Stella L. Yan.
Ayan.
Katarungan para kay Ka-Alden! Kung walang kikilos, sinong kikilos?
Ayan.
Kung hindi ngayon, kailan? Katarungan! Para kay Alden.
Okay, cut! Ang galing.
Okay, sorry.
Galing.
Okay, ito naman. Yaya, kailangan yung,
Coach Cynthia, galingan mo.
yung Yaya, sophisticated.
Ay, sosyal.
Social. Action!
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs, I repeated. For I was to blame, I still cursed that ring. I didn't have a prayer, I didn't have a clue. But then, out of the blue, God gave me you.
Sabi na eh, kanta yun eh. Ramdam ko eh.
Pasakali lang ah.
Kanta yan eh. Yaya, yung namang yung parang beauty queen. Yan.
Beauty queen? Ay,
Q&A.
naku, teka.
Okay. Candidate number 1. Here's your question. Paano kung hindi na bumalik si Alden? Timer starts now.
Thank you for that very wonderful question. Well, I believe in the saying that life goes on. It hurts, but what can I do? I have to be strong. I have to be...
Okay. Candidate. Relax, candidate. Relax. Very good. Okay. Very good, candidate number 1.
Ano pa gusto mong
Ano pa?
Candidate number 2. Sige, pagurin natin.
Sige, yan. Candidate number 2, si Lola.
Bakit ako nasali?
Kasama ka. Kunyari lang.
Alukot naman ang contest na isa lang contestant.
Oo, di panalo na yan.
Eh, eto, sanay sa Q test.
Oh, ikaw
Anong
magtanong.
Q test?
Pinagalo mo yung
Ano
Q&A tsaka beauty contest.
Sanay yan sa Q
Naging
test.
Q-text. Minsan lang sa kuko.
Okay. Candidate number 2.
Oh,
Anong gagawin mo
Question.
kung ikakasal si Alden
Sa iba.
sa iba?
Timer starts now.
paano
Thank you
gusto
very
niyong
much
gawin ko?
muna.
Ha?
Thank you very much for that wonderful question.
Thank you very much for that very wonderful question. Kung sakali,
Okay,
Okay.
time's up na. Time's up.
Wala.
Time's up. Sayang.
Natapos sa kung sakali.
Thank you very much,
Very
candidate
much,
number
candidate.
2. Maraming salamat.
And now is candidate number 3.
Oh, number 3. Para
Number 3,
kompleto.
number 3. Oh, Lola, anong tatanungan sa kanya?
Kung mamamatay ka bukas. Bakit hindi pa ngayon?
Your timer starts now!
Hindi, tungkol din kay...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to the Board of Judges. My family are... so sorry, so confident.
Thank you, contestant number 3.
Okay.
And here's contestant
Number
number 4.
Alayo na nang inabot.
Lola,
Ay,
may
may tumawag, may
telepono.
tumawag.
And here's your question.
Tawagan mo.
Where?
Tao ka ba?
Bakit?
Sinisigurado ko lang.